Hey guys, it's Rob here. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair this situation. And this is when the constant plugging and pulling out of plugs into wall sockets actually pull out the whole physical socket. There are two metallic clips you need to screw that expand like this, like wings, to catch into the wall. And this is what actually keeps this socket tight inside the wall. So obviously this has failed and I need to screw them back. So first things first, electricity as always respects nobody, so make sure you don't mess with it. I'm going to switch off the general contact from my apartment's breaker. This is to make sure that no power comes out from this socket at all. How am I going to do that? How am I going to know no power comes out from here is I'm going to plug a light to this socket and I'm going to switch the breaker till there is no more light here, and then I know there is no power. And as a confirmation test, then I'm going to use this tester to test for current. So let's test to make sure that there is current now. Obviously I know there is current because the light plugged to this is on, but and you can see this small LED light on this screwdriver tester. It switches on when there is current. So let me go and switch off the breaker now. So this is my main breaker, and if you don't know which control switch section of your house, then you obviously need to go by exclusion one after the other. Okay, so I'm back in the room and you can see we are in relative darkness. So just to confirm, I'm going to use my tester now. No orange light means no power. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is to unplug this. No current. No current. Oh, let's try first by unscrewing this. Okay, so this brings out this centerpiece of plastic here. Now I've removed the centerpiece. I have access to these two screws. One here and one here. And these control, they expand the metallic flaps that you can see here. You can see with the sharp pointed tips. And by screwing them, we basically expand them into the wall. And this grabs hold of the wall, thereby keeping the socket in place. So what I'm going to do now is, first I'm going to unscrew. And by unscrewing those two screws, I basically retract those two pieces of metal into the socket itself. And I want to do this so that I am able to push the wall socket back fully into the wall. It pushes out this socket. And so unfortunately it looks like, since this was an aftermarket product, it doesn't really fit that well into the holder. I just remove now the surrounding frame to see why it's causing this problem, why it's pushing out the socket from the wall when I tighten it. Okay, so it looks like turning it upside down was what did the trick. Obviously in this part of Europe, the left and right are interchangeable, so this was the case here, and now it looks tight enough. I can put back the plastic frame around. It's still not the best fit because this was an aftermarket socket being put, not original, that came with the building. So, but this is what happens. Okay, so let me try now the socket, the plug. Okay, for now this should work, especially since it's going to be behind the furniture. So I hope this video helps. Now all I need to do is switch on the breaker and there should be electricity coming out of this plug once again. So I just have to remind you that electrical repairs, as simple as they are, we still have to make sure that there is no power coming out of this, because you just can't mess with electricity. I hope this video helps. Be safe and take care.